Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here. What I have today is a very rare 3-blade blender fan that actually has switch housing. I actually acquired this at the Fanimation trip from Mark Welker. Did a little exchanging, and I gave him a fan, and I got this fan. And it's a thinking about putting the larger blades on it, but yeah, it's rare. I've never seen one in person having three, with the 3-blade flywheel and the switch housing. So let's take it for a spin. Yeah, it's a single speed. Quite a bit of wobble. I'm going to have to look into that eventually, but yeah, I absolutely love this fan. So unlike most of my fans, this one actually is not for sale or trade. No, I'm going to hang on to it. Yeah, it's a single speed, moving quite a bit of air, and these were actually sold through Sears back in the late 70s, early 80s. They always had sort of a base model ceiling fan that they'd sell, and this was a sort of borderline industrial fan, and that would have the 3 blades and the switch housing. There were a couple that were made by Emerson, and yeah, let's take it for a spin down here. Yeah, and folks, if you haven't signed up for my, if you haven't liked this video, please do. Check out, subscribe to my YouTube page called the Fan Cave, and my Facebook page by the same name. Check that out. Once again, it's Mark Wilson here, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.